Hello and welcome to this training course on installing and activating secure exchanges on Outlook Web. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps required to install the extension via Microsoft's admin platform and activate your license. Please note that the training will be carried out on Outlook Web Office 365, but rest assured that the steps are the same for the new Outlook, integrating it with Office 365. If you're using the heavy version of Microsoft Outlook, videos specific to this version are available. To get started, open your browser and log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center account. Once logged in, go to the settings available in the left-hand menu, then click on Integrated Apps. Once in this tab, click on the Upload Custom App button. In the available drop-down list, select the type of application you wish to deploy, in this case, Office to Aiden. You'll need to deploy Aiden using the manifest available in our knowledge base on our website. Copy and paste the manifest link in the appropriate space, provide link to manifest. Then validate the added information, click Next, and follow the instructions to the next step. Here you'll have the option of deploying secure exchanges for everyone or for a specific group. Complete the fields and click Next to finalize deployment. Once deployment is complete, you'll see the Secure Exchanges application in your available applications. To choose the Secure Exchanges deployment method, click on the Add-in button and select Secure Exchanges. In this window, you'll again have the option of deploying secure exchanges for everyone or for a specific group. You can also choose the deployment method. We recommend the fixed option, so that admin is deployed for assigned users without the possibility of deletion. Please note that secure exchanges may take up to 24 hours to install. When the installation time has elapsed, open your Outlook web mailbox. To activate your license, create a new message, then click on the applications icon. Select Secure Exchanges. If Secure Exchanges does not appear, click on Add Apps and go to the tab designed for your organization. Select Secure Exchanges, then click on Add. Then repeat the activation steps. Once the Secure Exchanges window is open, pin it. Go to Settings to activate your license. Enter the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, then click on the Activate My License button. You will receive an activation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the Activate My License button. Select Yes to confirm Secure Exchanges activation on this device. You will be asked to authorize a new window. Authorize it, then log in with the email address associated with your license. Congratulations! You have now installed and activated Secure Exchanges on your Outlook web account. You can start securing your emails and attachments with Secure Exchanges. It couldn't be easier. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.